September 23rd, year 2017, the Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear daughters, good morning, my dear daughters. When you look outside of yourselves for the answers you are seeking, you will create barriers to the still voice from within. Confusion and chaos are never of the divine. All who earnestly seek the truth will find it. Yet you must trust in what you hear. Many times I have reminded my earth angels that trust and faith must go hand in hand. Why then do you seek counsel from those you do not know? I see how you seek from others that which is of the divine, that which is of me. Do not doubt, I will always confirm threefold that which I want you to know. This has always been the case. Today is the day many of my children proclaim is one of a prophetic and significant nature. When you went to the church in Washougal, it was I who guided you there. It was I who alerted you to this date. Yet you ask yourselves, what will transpire? Why is this date significant? I have been reiterating to both of you the importance of listening, of hearing that which I have to say. That is why a few weeks ago I asked the two of you to stand down, get ready, and just get on your knees, casting your eyes into the heavens above. Was this not clear enough for the two of you? How can you lead others if you do not adhere to my words? I thought the message was quite clear. Those who acknowledge me, those who listen to me, are protected by my breastplate, and as such will not be confused nor misled by the mighty deceiver. Satan is on the prowl, and as such will use all at his disposal to cast shadows of doubt, fear, and yes, trepidation. Take ultimate care lest you will be deceived by that which is of the exterior. Do not concern yourselves with that which you cannot control. Yet, as I have told you, make ready, for the day of reckoning is soon to come. It will not matter what you do in the physical to prepare if your own spiritual houses are not in order. For there is naught of the physical which will prepare you for what is to come. Understand this, though, through my saving grace, my children will be spared. You cannot lead others on this new frontier if you do not respond to my guidance. My return, our Father's return, is imminent. You must make ready for his return. Cast your eyes into the heavens above, and you will see that which needs to be seen. Stand down, therefore, and cease that which creates barriers to my voice. Seek refuge from the sanctuary within. You will then see what you need to see. You will not be deceived by that which is of the exterior. Rest assured, you will most assuredly know that which is of me. Cease that which interferes with that which my Spirit is trying to impart. Many preoccupy their thoughts with the rapture and what is to come. Yet I tell you, one need only look to the signs to know what is certain to come. When I was a child, I thought like a child. Now you must cast aside that which will keep you from seeing what is the reality. I implore you, my daughters, get ready. Pray without ceasing. You are worthy. All who believe in me are worthy. Humble yourselves before the Lord. The day of reckoning is upon you. Thank you for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 94 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, family, or another in need. May God bless and protect you and your family in these times.